If you love woodworking or small DIY projects, you know how important the right sander can be. Today, we're ranking 5 of the best detail sanders, from the weakest to the absolute top performer, to help you find the perfect tool for your needs. Kicking off our list in 5th place is the DEKOPRO Detail Sander. It's a compact mouse-style sander that's clearly aimed at beginners or casual DIYers who want something affordable and simple to use. It's got a modest 1.5 amp motor and a speed of 13,000 orbits per minute, just enough for finishing work and light sanding jobs. Feature-wise, it comes with a few nice bonuses like 3 extra attachments and 12 sheets of sandpaper, which is more than most budget models include. However, compared to stronger competitors, its specs are on the lower end, and there's some confusion in listings about whether it's corded or cordless, a small red flag in terms of clarity and reliability. The biggest downside here is performance consistency. With moderate power and no variable speed control, it's not the most flexible tool. It'll do fine for light detail work, but it struggles if you're sanding large or tough surfaces. Build quality is also what you'd expect from a low-cost option, decent but not professional grade. If you're a beginner just getting into DIY woodworking or you only need a light-duty tool, this could be worth it. For everyone else, it's a starting point, and yes, links to all these sanders at the best prices are down below in the description. In 4th place, we've got the WEN 6301, one of the most well-known compact detail sanders on the market. This little orange sander is lightweight, reliable, and built for small projects and tight corners, the kind of spots your regular sander just can't reach. It runs at a steady 13,500 orbits per minute with a 1 amp motor. Not super powerful, but for its size, it does an impressive job of giving you a smooth finish. The angled pad is a standout feature. It easily fits into corners and along edges, which makes it great for furniture restoration or baseboard sanding. Of course, it's not perfect. The power is limited and it doesn't have variable speed, so you're working with one pace no matter the material. Also, its dust port doesn't always match every vacuum, which can be frustrating if you're trying to keep your workspace clean. Still, if you're on a budget and want a simple, no-nonsense sander that just works, the WEN 6301 is a dependable option. And if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tool breakdowns just like this one. Taking the middle spot is the SKIL. This one is a well-balanced, user-friendly option that's great for small home projects and finishing work. It's incredibly light, under 2 pounds, and has SKIL's signature ergonomic design that makes it really comfortable to hold for longer periods. Even though it runs a little slower at 12,000 orbits per minute, it's smooth and steady. The microfilter dust collection box does a solid job at keeping dust out of your way, and the hook and loop pad makes sandpaper changes quick and easy. It's clearly designed with convenience in mind. Its main weakness is its modest orbit size and fixed speed. You won't get aggressive material removal, and for heavy-duty sanding, it can feel underpowered. But in fairness, this isn't trying to be a powerhouse. It's meant for precision and comfort. If you value clean performance and ease of use, the SKIL sander might be the sweet spot. It's the kind of tool that's perfect for light refinishing and hobby work, especially if you don't want to deal with fatigue or heavy tools. In 2nd place, we've got a tool that balances speed and precision beautifully, the BLACK+DECKER. This one is a fan favorite among hobbyists because it's compact, easy to handle, and surprisingly powerful for its size. That 1.2 amp motor combined with 16,000 orbits per minute means this sander cuts through small jobs quickly. One of its most unique features is the removable detail finger attachment, which helps you reach those impossible nooks and corners. The ergonomic 3-position grip is another nice touch, allowing you to sand comfortably from any angle. The dust canister with microfiltration keeps things tidy and breathable while you work. Where it falls short is in versatility. Like the others, it has a fixed speed, so you don't have much control for delicate surfaces. And at 2.4 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some of the smaller models, though still very manageable. If you're into woodworking, crafts, or restoration, this is a fantastic all-rounder. It's faster than the SKIL and WEN models and perfect for anyone who wants quality results without spending too much time. And finally, at number 1, we have the HYCHIKA MS200W. This sander takes the top spot for its impressive combination of power, speed, and value. With a 1.6 amp motor and 14,000 orbits per minute, it delivers stronger performance than most tools in this class, all while staying compact and comfortable. It's got great build quality for the price, a well-designed dust collection container, and a generous set of 12 sanding sheets right out of the box. That's everything you need to start working immediately. Its soft grip and balanced weight make it easy to control, even during longer sanding sessions. Sure, it's still fixed speed and not meant for industrial workloads, but it's powerful enough for most home woodworking, furniture refinishing, and hobby projects. Compared to the rest, it's the best mix of affordability, performance, and practicality. If you want one tool that covers the widest range of detail sanding tasks without overspending, the HYCHIKA MS200W is definitely the one to go for. And that's our lineup of the best detail sanders ranked from weakest to best. Whether you're just starting out or you've been working with wood for years, there's something here for every kind of project. Check out the links in the description to find each of these sanders at the best prices. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss our next hands-on review.